Well, now David Hollerith has also been following this story and its impact on the broader crypto market. So David, what were your biggest takeaways from the hearing today? Yeah, just to sort of drill down into what Alexis pointed out, the fact that the customers and or creditors, the list is being redacted is sort of different from what was seen in the Celsius case. So, that was something that was not very clear. I think the other elephant in the room that was not real, it was brought up, but it was not addressed in any more detail than what we have in court documents, is what to make of the stolen funds from FTX that happened directly after the bankruptcies filing a few weeks ago, and that somewhere between $400 and $470 million of cryptocurrencies, that is, have been stolen by hackers. Also confusing. That hasn't been addressed either, and will continue to be a hot topic for the Bahamas. For this hearing is the Bahamas jurisdiction dispute, with that of the US's. But as far as takeaway goes, I think that if you drill down into the assets that the team that is now managing FTX is uncovering, I think we see that there's a lot of healthy parts of the business. The Japanese crypto exchange owned by FTX, for instance, is essentially operational, not in bankruptcy necessarily, but as sellable parts of this business. This could look like a pretty big or an easy split, I guess you could say. And Justin Sun, the founder of the Tron cryptocurrency network, has actually already come out today, is saying that he's been eyeing those cryptocurrency assets as part of the FTX estate. Moving forward, it's probably going to look something like, the remaining players coming in and trying to see what they can salvage with the business. Obviously, though, Sam Bankman-Fried, before he was, found to be not keeping his book straight, was considered sort of the industry backstop. So now it'll be interesting to see who comes in. Obviously Binance did not, at least before the bankruptcy. I'm sure certainly lots more digging into FTX's books ahead.